Hi, I'm Pratibha
And I'm Madhu.
and this is
Bollywood बोला,
Pratibha बोली
मधु बोली,
हम
हम बोले।
दोनों बोले। Hi Madhu, how are you?
अरे I'm very well. तुम कैसे हो? बहुत खुश लग रही है आज तो. Extraordinarily खुश. क्या बात हुई है?
Well, for one thing, last 2 weeks I saw 3 wonderful movies.
3
They were
movies.
so uplifting. Mary Kom, Dangal, Panga. Oh my God, you feel so good.
कमाल है यार. ये क्या होता है कि हम कोई मूवी अच्छी देखते हैं तो हमारा मूड बिल्कुल बदल जाता है. जैसे लगता है कि we won the world. ये क्या होता है?
Well, let me tell you, cinema is a reflection of society, I should say of the times, right? You have no idea how much power it has because what cinema does is it reflects the mindset of people who wrote and directed, who made the movie. But not only that, they also look at what audience will like. So it reflects the mindset of audience, right? So the thing is that actually movies have so much power, whether it's Bollywood or Hollywood. You would be surprised how much power they have because they can change the thinking.
बिल्कुल, I agree. लेकिन एक चीज मैंने नोटिस की है कि the movies you seem to like are movies with strong women, with empowered women. Don't you think so?
Don't you talk about women empowerment. That makes me so mad. Do you understand? Go and look at the dictionary. What does it say? Empowerment means giving power. Do we have to get power? Let me tell you an example. I went to, my friend Abha invited me to her house for dinner and she had her parents also for dinner. So she was really excited and she said, I have a news, wonderful news. I got that huge promotion that I worked so hard for. And, I put in a lot of hours, I traveled. And you know what the dad said? He said, oh, you're so lucky. Your husband lets you put in all those hours and lets you travel. Wouldn't that make you so mad? That's why I don't like that word.
No, you're right. That expression lets you do this just makes, it makes me cringe. Lekin, what happens is that women for generations have been made to feel
Inferior.
helpless, inferior, and somehow less than the best.
True, but those were the times when men were bringing home the bacon, as they say. They were bringing the money home, right?
Bilkul.
And that is how the household ran.
Sure.
The wife's duty was make sure she has the food ready, she cleans the house, the kids are being taken care of, right? So even if there were some women that were intelligent, intuitive, or even strong, they never had a say in the major decision. For example, if they had to get a bigger house or if they had to change the jobs, they never
Got to
had
decide
a
that.
say. It was always a man. And that was fine. I mean, that is what the times were.
वो ज़माना फर्क था. We are talking about Bollywood and the time. मुझे याद है Bollywood used to make movies like छोटी बहू, छोटी बहन, or the one that really got my goat was मैं चुप रहूंगी.
I know.
Those were the time when women really didn't have any rights. But today women have careers. So many women have very successful careers. They are bringing home the so-called bacon. मैं बोलूंगी cottage cheese या पनीर कह दो. Yet we don't seem to feel like we have the power. if you
Yes. Kind of right, yes. But as I said, that movies reflect the times. You see, what are the newer movies now? They finally have women protagonists. I am so happy. It started from Astitva, Earth. The newest ones are English Winglish, Queen, Tumhari Sulu. Oh my God. Finally, there are women protagonists and women directors.
No, बिल्कुल. But you know what? The one thing that when you bring up movies like Tumhari Sulu, what about the men in these women's lives? They seem to have changed also, haven't they?
Yes, it's true. Have they changed enough? I don't know. In the movies, yes. For example, the movie Panga. Oh my God. Not just the husband and supports, but the son and the husband motivate her to go back to what she was good at. Wow.
Kabaddi.
Yeah,
right?
wasn't that great?
That was amazing. That was amazing. You remember that scene in Panga? It was my favorite when the kid is talking to, asking about a mother.
Yes, I loved it. I loved it.
Let's take a look
Let's
at
take
that.
a look at that.
जी वो दिन हवा हुए जब आप रेलवे के लिए कबड्डी खेलती थी।
सारी बड़ी बड़ी बातें वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट की। मैं एक माँ हूँ और माँ के कोई सपने नहीं होते हैं।
32
तो क्या 32 में कमबैक नहीं होता?
वाली है जो तुझे एक और मौका मिल रहा है।
ऐसी बहुत सारी परेशानियां होंगी जो एक साल बाद ना तुम्हें याद रहेगी ना मुझे। तो याद रहेगा तो सिर्फ ये कि तुम्हारे पास एक मौका आया था और तुमने वो जाने दिया।
Pratibha, these are amazing movies and amazing male characters that are featured here. But you know, there's another force at work. It is दुनिया वाले क्या कहेंगे?
बिग वो गाना है ना अमर प्रेम का, लोग क्या कहेंगे?
कुछ तो लोग
Right?
कहेंगे,
कुछ तो
बहुत अच्छी
लोग
बात है,
कहेंगे,
that
बहुत
भी-
अच्छा गाना है जिसने भी लिखा है, सच बात है। बिकॉज वो जो तुम्हारी शुरू थी जिसका आपने नाम लिया, उसमें सच्ची यही होता है कि उसकी इमीडिएट लड़की की इमीडिएट फैमिली, जैसे मैंने एग्जांपल दिया था, दे आर अगेंस्ट हर डूइंग व्हाट शी इज डूइंग। आई मीन दे वर स्टॉपिंग हर प्रोग्रेस। एक तरफ से मजाक उड़ाते हैं और दूसरी तरफ से कहते हैं ये काम ठीक नहीं है, वो काम ठीक नहीं है।
और वो पता है किस लिए होता है? बिकॉज यू बिगिन टू सी पीपल इन सर्टन रोल्स। वो दोनों बहनें अपने आप को इतना सुपीरियर समझने लगी थी कि दैट उनको उसके हस्बैंड की सपोर्ट भी बुरी लग रही थी कि
Right.
व्हाई इज ही सपोर्टिंग हर इन दैट कॉज। लेट्स टेक अ लुक एट दैट सीन। दैट्स अ लवली सीन।
या ऐसा होना चाहिए।
तो ये तेरी नई जॉब।
सुना तुम लोगों ने?
हाँ सुना, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा था। आलू मटर पनीर, ये क्या बकवास है शर्मिला। शी ये सब छोड़, तो कोई क्रैश में कोई जॉब मिले तो देखो। आइडिया भी है, हम सब बैठ के सुन रहे थे, बच्चे भी बैठे हुए थे साथ में।
तो मैंने क्या गलत बोला शो में?
सुना दीदी, क्या सूट करता है ये सब? हेलो शी,
क्या प्रॉब्लम है दीदी?
तो किसी भी लोफर से रात को बात करेगी, तेरे को आइडिया भी तो क्या करेगी?
एक्टिंग है दीदी।
तो मत कर एक्टिंग। कल को बोलेगी डांस बार में पैसे मिलते हैं, दीदी एक्टिंग नहीं करेगी।
हमने बात की थी, मैंने उसको बोला देखो 1 महीना करके देखो।
ऐसे कैसे चलेगा?
हाँ।
अरे छोड़ो ना अशोक, इनका ना हमेशा से ऐसा ही है।
ओह ये तो रही मूवीज, पर रियल लाइफ में कितने एग्जाम्पल है हमारे पास। पहली बात तो इतने सारे सीईओज हैं हमारे, इंडियन सीईओ, लेडीज आर सीईओज, राइट, सो मेनी। बट द वन दैट एवरीवन नोज इज इंदिरा नोई, वर्क फॉर पेप्सी, सीईओ की थी। एंड यू नो इसके, लेकिन मेरे को एक बात नहीं अच्छी लगी। She was, yeah, खुद तो बहुत सक्सेसफुल थी, सब कुछ किया उसने, but remember this was a big uproar in society, especially the younger generation, when she said women can't have it all. I mean, I think she could have said it a little better. She could have said it is hard to do it all alone. If your parents, parents, in-laws, husbands are supporting, that's how I did it. That should have been said. And I don't know why she said that, but do you remember there was a big hoopla on this one.
It was a TED talk. I remember that very well. And you know, the point she was making hopefully got through. Lekin, I know that you like another very strong man.
Yes,
I
yes.
know you've talked about him many
Oh
times.
my God! Yes. So speaking of again Hollywood, Bollywood, yeah, TV screen drama. So I love this show, Madam Secretary. I
my
tell
favorite
everybody
too.
to watch it, and it could be because of her husband more than her, that he is so secure. While she is putting out fires in Washington, he's taking care of kids, making sure, keeping kids out of trouble, whether it's a school issue or they're fighting or whatever is going on. And I wish, not only that, I just remembered that she says that when she's worried, you know, she's concerned a little bit कि हमारी relationship गड़बड़ तो नहीं हो रही है because I have, you know, my job is better or something. But you know what he says? He says, I think powerful women are sexy. And he's secure, he's more talented, very intelligent, he's a scholar, he's done a number of things. So he doesn't have anything to feel insecure about. That is why he can do this. But you know what, Madhu? I have an idea. Why don't you and I make a list of what a perfect husband should be?
Perfect husband. That is a tall order, but we can do it, right?
Right, let's do it.
It may never end because we have a lot of
Let's do it.
requirements, but let's start with what you mentioned. The most important thing is a man who's secure enough not to be bothered by his wife's success.
So
right?
true, so true. And a man who does household chores not as a favor, but he also lives in the house.
And takes care of the kids because those are his kids as well. takes care of them as a fully responsible
Yeah, for
partner.
example, if they have to call in sick, I mean, the child is sick, even the man can call in sick, right? And then let's see another one. You're gonna love this one.
Okay.
If wife is late from work, instead of saying, "देर क्यों हो गई? Honey, did you have dinner?" What a wonderful thing, right?
That would be lovely if I go home and my husband says, "Honey, देर क्यों खाना खाया?" So let's see if that happens.
Okay.
And then I think a man who respects not just his wife but all women and treats them with respect. Don't you
True.
think so?
And the one who brings best out of his woman.
And a man who has no hesitation when there are guests over and there's a spill. He knows where the vacuum cleaner is, goes and grabs it, and doesn't think there's anything out of the
And you know,
ordinary
we've
him
never,
cleaning up.
we've never seen that. If at a party something drops, you know what happens? The wife runs, "So let me get paper towel or vacuum." So yeah, you're right. The one who picks up the vacuum cleaner without
that's-
thinking about it in front of other people.
Right. And
I have one.
Okay.
The one who teaches his son by setting an example himself about chores, that it's not a favor. I live in this house too. I also
It's
have
my
take
responsibility.
50%, right?
And if, with all these things happening, I think a man can be his spouse's or his partner's best friend, because
Wonderful.
that is what is
True, that's
what
needed.
we want in
yeah,
life,
they want
right?
to come home and talk about work. So true. And the one who understands that feminism is not about putting women in front, it's about equality. At least go 50%, 49%, right?
Pratibha, a day is not too far away when instead of making Man with the Golden Gun, James Bond की जो movie थी, we'll be making man
With an apron cooking.
with a vacuum cleaner, with a Dawson, right?
Yes, yes.
And-
And you know what? It's funny that we talked about it. So what I want to tell the young ladies out there who are watching this is, you know, your best career choice is not your professional choice. Best career choice is who you marry, because in the end it only depends what support and motivation and inspiration your husband can be. So find that type of husband. Do you agree?
I totally agree.
Then it will be an open and secure relationship. And they
Okay.
both will do well.
Both will do well, because after all, रिश्ते नहीं है तो
लाइफ नहीं है.
आप देख रहे हैं हमारा शो बॉलीवुड बोला हम बोले.
And yes, please do subscribe to our channel for upcoming episodes.